After drying our perfusion chamber metal mask and joining them together, we have to clamp them with our PDMS slab. What we're going to use is a clean microscope slide, a prefabricated piece of slide which is used to help with the clamp, and a clamp. We also have our perfusion chamber and mask, and over here we have PDMS and the tools we need to cut our PDMS. So basically what we'll do first is we'll cut out a small rectangular piece of PDMS using our scalpel. Using our tweezers, we gently take out one corner and take off our piece of PDMS, bring it over here onto our glass side, and gently fix it onto the glass side, making sure that there's no air bubbles between the PDMS and the glass side. It's a bit tricky at first, but with practice it'll be perfect. There we go. Now we make sure that there's no air bubbles in there. If there is, we can use our tweezers to gently push them out without forcing on the PDMS. There we go. Next step would be to take our perfusion chamber and mask and put it onto the PDMS slab. Pushing it down gently with our fingers, we can turn it over. We have to make sure that all the array is found within the rectangular part of the PDMS. That way we know that all our results will be on the PDMS surface and nothing will leak. Then we take our piece of prefabricated glass and in this case put it between the ports on both sides of the perfusion chamber. That's important because this piece of glass helps to distribute the pressure from the clamp. You take the clamp and clamp it directly over that piece of prefabricated glass slide, making sure it doesn't tilt. In this case it did, so I'll try it again. You have to make sure that the ports are clear. Once this is done, our clamp and perfusion chamber is ready to use.